Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. In this video we are discussing a very important topic for everybody. It will be the topic of washing off the pesticides from our produce, fruits and vegetables. As there are a lot of products on the market right now which claim to be more effective than water, and you could use it to thoroughly and in the safest possible way to clean your fruits and vegetables. And there has been studies done, and really surprising, it was proclaimed. When you look at the bottle of some of the products of this kind, they say they are 90% more effective than just water, 50% more effective, 60, 70, it doesn't matter. So here's what. When researchers put them to the test, they did no better than just regular tap water, really. No better than that. Plus, let's say water definitely will remove about 50% of the residue. Now, if the product claims to be 10 times more effective, how can you be 10 times more effective than 50%, right? So it's pure marketing right there. Now, another research was done. They put to the test different brands like fruit and vegetable wash to fit. Then there were organic clean and veggie clean. So I'm reading when the test was done. So, and the samples were compared, believe it or not, to dishwashing soap. And they were all compared to just rinsing produce with regular plain tap water. So there was 196 samples of lettuce, strawberries, tomatoes, and they were tested, and they found little or no difference between just rinsing with tap water compared to any of the veggie washes or the dish soap. How about that? So we need to remember that just the mechanical action of rubbing your produce when you wash it seems to do the trick, and you can't really use it in detergents because we want it to be kind of safe, right? Now, if you buy the produce and you know that it's been waxed, you can definitely feel this wax, and the wax is almost impossible to wash, even using the tap water. In this case, I would recommend you to peel the skin. That also will be fine. Now, there is also like why everybody is washing the produce with vinegar right now, because there has been another test which was saying that 5% acidic solution really removed 100% of the residues. 5%. Now, what's 5%? That's just undiluted plain white vinegar. So now imagine you will have to buy gallons of that vinegar to just wash your produce with. It definitely doesn't work like that. Now, if you use the diluted vinegar, then again, it's pretty much almost the same as washing it with regular tap water. But I have promised the trick that works better than regular tap water. So if you want to improve or increase the efficacy of just tap water, there is a solution. And the solution is a 10% salt water solution. solution. So that appears to work as good or even better than the full strength vinegar. Now, how can you prepare this type of solution? You need to mix 1 part of salt to 9 parts of water, and then you wash your produce with it. I think it's better you could soak it, not for too long, but the most important thing obviously would be to wash off the salt off your produce completely, so you have to spend some time over there. Now, so there is also not much you could do in terms of removing pesticides from animal produce, right? And honestly, in fact, washing meat, poultry, or eggs is considered to be one of the top dangerous food safety mistakes. So I would say that boiled eggs would be a better option than the scrambled ones. I'm not saying you have to always only boil your eggs, but maybe try to boil more often. And as far as meat and poultry, because pesticides are stored in the fat tissue, so choose leaner cuts. And the way I cook, I don't really eat red meat. I'm not advertising you don't, it's just not my type of food. But anytime I would eat the meat, be so poultry, turkey, I would boil it. Boiling really is the best if you're concerned, because you boil, say you have, for example, chicken legs. So you boil chicken legs until they really boil, give it 5-10 minutes, they boil. then you remove all the water. For example, you're making a broth or a soup. You never use that first boiling water. You never do that. So you boil it, then you remove the water, wash the pan and the meat or chicken that was inside. Then you put it back and you put fresh, clean water, and then, so it's like second broth, not the first one. So this is that. Remember that there is a video between organic, the difference between organic and conventional produce. I really suggest you watch that. Now, I also say that if you do not have a possibility to buy all organic, not everybody has, and not everybody has to buy organic, right? At all times. Really rely on Dirty Dozen Clean 15. There is a EWG database website, because sometimes these lists are renewed, so you can find new things on the list. Rely on those and peel the skin. If you know potatoes are not organic, cucumbers, apples even. And I'm really against conventional strawberries because they're not delicious. Maybe if they're locally, the farmer and they are in season. It's a very good idea to eat produce in season, even if it's organic, because sometimes they say local is a lot safer. But it's not really the case. Local produce is also really being grown with pesticides. It's not really different that everything overseas is with pesticides and everything local is not. It's not really the rule here. It's not how it works. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, anything to share, please let me know. If you want more videos on this type of things, any health related questions, please let me know. I will be more than happy to make a video, research, and share it with you. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.